This is AMS TV and you are watching AMS English News, and here are today's top stories. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav inaugurated the Neemuch and Shajapur solar parks during a public event in Neemuch. He also launched several industrial projects and inaugurated various development works. The Chief Minister presented appreciation certificates to beneficiaries and organizations for their outstanding contribution. He said the Madhya Pradesh is giving top priorities to industrial growth, green energy and job creation. Dr. Yadav added that these projects will boost clean energy production, attract new investments and create employment opportunities. The government will continue speeding up development work across the state for better public welfare and economic progress. Madhya Pradesh Minority Welfare Minister Krishna Gaur strongly criticized Congress State President Jeetu Patwari at the BJP office. She said Patwari is making false and baseless allegations only to gain public attention. The minister claimed that senior Congress leader Digvijay Singh himself has weakened Patwari's statement, leaving him politically embarrassed. Krishna Gaur advised Patwari to focus on his own political future instead of making accusations. Speaking about the nomadic and semi-nomadic communities, she said the government is committed to their social, educational and economic development. Concrete welfare steps will be taken after a detailed survey is completed. A tragic road accident took place on Monday afternoon in Rewa district. A speeding municipal garbage truck crashed into a motorcycle carrying three young men near the bypass on the Rewa-Mangavan road. The impact was so powerful that the bike and riders were thrown nearly 100 meters away. One man died on the spot while the two others became trapped under the truck's wheel. Local residents and police rescued them after a difficult operation and rushed them to the hospital. Both injured victims are now in the ICU in critical condition. Police have registered a case and started an investigation. Villagers in Jaipur village of Chhindwara staged a protest against former Chief Minister and MLA Kamal Nath. They carried posters calling him a missing MLA and expressed anger over his absence from the constituency. Protesters said farmers are facing a shortage of urea, road accidents are increasing and many local problems remain unresolved. They claim that despite these issues, the MLA has not visited the area. During the demonstration, villagers symbolically said they were searching for their representative. The protest has once again intensified political activity in Chhindwara district. A land dispute in Mahidpur of Ujjain districts has created controversy after a Congress leader was accused of threatening farmers with a pistol. According to the complaint, district panchayat representative Pratap Singh Gur and his supporter arrived at a farm on June 18th while farmers were loading fodder. They allegedly started digging land with a JCB machine. When the farmers objected, Gur reportedly pointed a pistol at them and threatened to shoot if they did not leave. A video of the incident has surfaced. Police have registered a case and started an investigation. Guna police has secured second place in Madhya Pradesh for technology-based policing. The district received recognition for the effective use of crime and criminal tracking network and system. Additional Superintendent of Police Prashant Singh Suman received the award at a state-level event in Bhopal. Superintendent of Police Hitika Vasal said all police stations in the district now use digital system for crime registration, investigation, record management and criminal data. She credited regular training of officers and continuous monitoring of the system for his important achievement and improved police efficiency. A Patwari was allegedly assaulted in Bakeli village of Umaria district after informing a resident that part of his land belonged to the government. According to the complaint, Patwari Goreral Singh measured the land and identified a section as government property. The accused Vipin Soni reportedly became angry, abused the official, twisted his arm, threw him to the ground and dragged him inside a house where he was beaten. Following the complaint, police registered a case against the accused and began an investigation. Further legal action will depend on the findings of the inquiry. Monsoon is becoming active in Madhya Pradesh. Heavy rain is likely in Ujjain, Dewas, Chhindwara, Pandurna, Mandla and Balaghat. A yellow alert has also been issued for Bhopal, Indore, Guna, Rewa, Satna, Umaria and many other districts. People may also see thunderstorms and strong winds in some places. The weather department has advised people to stay alert and avoid unnecessary travel during heavy rain. Rain is expected to continue in many parts of the state over the next few days.